finishing up our 43-hour print. Dio from Star Wars, this is his inner main frame. Got 2 minutes left. Looks really good after we sand it down a little bit. It looked great. Just finished 42 hours and 58 minutes. I already popped the sheet because I can't do it with one hand. But this is the main inside frame housing for Dio. This is PETG from Overture 3D. We'll clean up the brim. This was printed with the brim. Get a little more surface area so it sticks well, and it did stick really well. I just used the flex plate to bend and pop it off. It looks great.